Hey guys, I'm at the Tractor Supply store. Turning around, Tractor Supply store here in Kentucky, and deals. Show you right. It is a brush cutter. All I have to do is power wash it. The only thing that's wrong with it, right there, it's missing a piece. It's missing a piece right here that broke off, so I can buy a new piece, whole new piece, and everything else is working fine. That's what the guy told me. It was $239. I got it for $20. Can't beat that. Now, I also got the patio versions, key lime. I guess it's a key lime tree. They about half dead, but I got them 3 of these guys for $1 a piece. What? I'm going to bring these to my. Now I got to lug it back to my truck and bring them. I'm gonna bring them back to life while I'm on the road. Got a new toy for my for my yard and garage. Man, this is a good day. Also, I bought a another rain gauge. Same one I got online. A little bit cheaper. Didn't have to pay for the the cost of getting it there. But you can't beat that. This is stuff I do. They say truckers be looking for women. No, I be looking for deals for my yard. Can't beat it. Hey, like and subscribe for more silly mess like this. Okay, got about a month. Bring these guys back to life. I'm gonna be watering them, and got some plant food. I'm about to put that in there. I'm gonna take these pieces off there. Just look at them for a minute, and I'm gonna bring these guys back to life. That's $3 there. Let's see if we can make something out of it.